Imagine floating in the vacuum of space. No air, no water, minus 150 degrees. A human would die in seconds, but there's a creature on Earth that would simply shrug it off. A being that can leave this planet, face cosmic radiation, and still come back to life. In this video, you're about to meet 10 extraordinary survivors, creatures that break the laws of biology, physics, and common sense. From bacteria that laugh in the face of nuclear radiation, to animals that can regrow their own brains. 10 survivors, 10 miracles, 10 mind-blowing reasons to respect life itself. Stay till the end, because number 1 will absolutely blow your mind. Number 10. Under the burning sun of the desert, where the sand can reach 60 degrees Celsius, one creature walks calmly: the camel. A living machine of survival. It can go over 2 weeks without a single drop of water, and when it finally finds some, it can drink more than 40 liters in minutes. Its secret lies inside its blood. Camel red blood cells are oval-shaped, allowing them to flow even when water is almost gone. And those iconic humps, they don't store water, they store fat, which turns into energy when everything else runs dry. The desert has no mercy, but the camel learned to be even tougher than death itself. Number 9. Deep under the Pacific Ocean, where sunlight never reaches, lies a volcanic hell. Hydrothermal vents, hotter than boiling water. And right there, life thrives. Meet the Pompeii worm, a soft, fragile-looking creature that lives where metal melts. Its skin is covered with heat-resistant bacteria, tiny bodyguards that absorb the heat before it can burn their hosts. Together, they formed one of the strangest partnerships in nature. Where everything should die, the Pompeii worm dances in fire and survives. If your brain's already melting from how insane this is, hit that like button, subscribe, and get ready, because things are about to get even crazier. Number 8. In waters colder than ice itself, swims a fish with transparent blood. It doesn't use hemoglobin like we do. Instead, it produces a natural antifreeze protein that keeps it alive below zero. This fish doesn't just survive the cold, it thrives in it. Its body, a miracle of chemistry, turns the impossible into routine. Where most creatures freeze solid, the Antarctic icefish moves gracefully through liquid ice. Cold? For this creature, it's just another day at the office. Number 7. They call it Conan the Bacterium, because no matter what you throw at it, radiation, vacuum, acid, it doesn't die. This microbe can survive 5,000 times more radiation than a human. Its DNA can literally shatter into pieces and then rebuild itself perfectly in hours. Scientists believe this process could one day revolutionize human medicine, helping repair damaged cells or fight cancer. Nature doesn't need capes or superpowers. It's already full of superheroes. Number 6. Imagine being able to die and come back. That's what the bedelloid rotifer does. When its environment dries out, it enters a state called cryptobiosis, completely drying its body, suspending all life functions. It can stay like this for years, and when water returns, so does life. Every single cell wakes up again, as if death was just a nap. To the rotifer, death is only temporary. If you're still with me, hit that like button and subscribe so you don't miss our next video. 10 deadly defense mechanisms in nature, where you'll discover nature's most lethal weapons and dazzling deceptions. Number 5. In salt lakes too toxic for most life, a tiny warrior thrives: the brine shrimp. These creatures can survive salinity levels higher than the ocean itself. When conditions get bad, they lay eggs that can stay dormant for decades, waiting for the perfect moment to hatch again. Some of these eggs have been revived after more than 50 years. To the brine shrimp, time is just another variable in survival. It's not about strength, it's about patience. Number 4. Cut off its leg, it grows back. Injure its spinal cord, it heals. Destroy part of its brain, it regrows the brain. Meet the axolotl, a creature that rewrites its own biology. Its cells can turn into any type of tissue, muscle, nerve, even brain. Scientists still don't fully understand how it works, but they know one thing. If humans ever unlock this secret, medicine will never be the same again. Number 3. Tiny, tough, indestructible. The tardigrade, or water bear, is smaller than a grain of sand, yet tougher than anything alive. It can survive space, radiation, boiling heat, freezing cold, and pressures that would crush steel. How? By shutting itself down completely, entering a suspended animation called the ton state. In that state, metabolism stops almost entirely. It's like death on pause, and when it wakes up, it just keeps going. The tardigrade isn't just a survivor. It's proof that life refuses to quit. If that doesn't make you rethink what alive means, like this video, subscribe, and share it with your friends. Let them see what real resilience looks like. Number 2. In 2007, scientists launched tardigrades into space. No air, no pressure, full cosmic radiation. And guess what? They came back alive. They were the first animals ever to survive open space. Even NASA couldn't believe it. If life can handle outer space, maybe Earth isn't the only cradle of biology. Maybe we've already sent our ambassadors to the stars. Number 1. Number 1 belongs to a true legend of evolution, the immortal bacterium itself, Deinococcus radiodurans. This organism can live through radiation, cold, heat, dehydration, things that wipe out every other life form. It rebuilds itself again and again, like it refuses to accept extinction. Some NASA researchers believe it may have come from Mars or beyond. If we ever find alien life, it might look a lot like this tiny red survivor. Not just a microbe, but a messenger of life itself. These 10 creatures remind us that life always finds a way. From deserts to deep space, from boiling heat to frozen death, life keeps pushing forward. Maybe one day, humans will learn these secrets, and death will just be a temporary pause. If you made it this far, you're one of the true survivors. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment. Tell me which creature blew your mind the most. And if you loved this, check out our previous video, 10 ocean creatures with real-life superpowers. Dive with us into the deep, where evolution gets creative and nature turns mythical. Stay curious, stay wild. This is Oddly Wild.